Namaste, I am Arya and you are watching News A15. You are welcome to tonight's exclusive report of News A15. Bhabanipur legal battle. CM Mamata Banerjee and two of her key opponents are all lawyers. This time, the fight in Kolkata's Bhabanipur will also be a legal contest as the three main contestants are lawyers. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, BJP's Priyanka Tibrewal and CPIM's Srijit Biswas all hold law degrees. CPIM candidate Srijit Biswas too is a lawyer in Alipur Court. He is also a pass out from Hajra Law College. From 2014, he has been practicing law and generally handles the case of left paratitis. This was said, this is condicates. I do not consider Mamata Banerjee to be a lawyer. She is a politician. I have seen Priyanka as a senior lawyer. But political battle and legal battle are different. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is a law graduate from Jogesh Chandra College in Kolkata and was a student of 1982 batch. In the earlier days of her career, she practiced in court. TMC leader Vaishnav Chatterjee, who is Banerjee's election agent, this time said, "We have seen Didi in court. When she was in Congress, our leader Pankaj Banerjee was arrested. She stood in court for him to get bail. She is enrolled in Bar Council too. She is senior in politics and as lawyer also. She is senior than others here." Priyanka Tibrewal is an alumni of the Hajra Law College and is known lawyer who has filed various cases for the BJP. She has also been fighting case for Babul Supriyo. After the 2021 election results, she filed the case of push poll violence. Political pundits say that her performance as a lawyer has been excellent. In the poll violence case, a key reason why she got a ticket. Tibrewal said, "I have already defeated her, the CM, in court of law. This is the second time I am talking on her."